Hey, what's up, Gen Mix? It's VJ Ella, and for today's Mix Checks In, we are here with the one and only Arthur Neri.
Hello!
Woo! Grabe, congratulations on your third album, by the way.
Thank you, bye.
Binigli mo na, by the way, din sabihin mo na, binigla mo naman yung fans. May 4 ka lang nag-announce and then suddenly May 8 na. Sinadya
Yeah.
mo ba yun?
Hindi, nakalimutan ko talaga mag-announce. Pero yun, sinadya ko na maliit lang yung timing.
Yes, okay, gets. Pero ngayon naman with your third album, what is your favorite part about, creating this with your favorite artists as well and like for the producer friends mo? Kamusta ka naman din with the whole thing, the whole journey ngayong na-release na siya?
Sobrang saya kasi yun, sobrang nag-enjoy din talaga ako sa like journey and process ng paggawa ng music, and yun talaga din yung parang nagpapa-feel like alive sa akin,
Yes.
diba? And it's just so fun to do it with my friends like Zeke. I did it with Luke April, Emil De La Rosa, and yung backup vocals, tinulungan din kami ni Miss Jolianne. And yun.
Gusto ko yung hindi ko alam kung nagtatapos na yung sentence niya or ano ba. Pero now that we got to listen to your album, of course, we want to know, the fans also want to know, alin song dun sa album yung pinaka na-enjoy mong gawin?
Oh, na-enjoy kong gawin. Siguro, aside sa Double Timed with Zeke, kasi yun yung pinakamabilis na ginawa kasi batuhan lang siya ng concept. So, sobrang saya nun. Siguro yung din, Desperado and Cerveza at Vino. Yun.
Wow, dami. Pero sa naman, like sa mga...
Isa lang ba?
Hindi, okay lang. Ikaw to eh. Siyempre, this is your album release. So, siyempre, any songs that you want. Pero sa naman, like sa challenges or like... Yeah, so sa'yo, ano yung parang pinaka naging challenging naman for you to create and to record as well?
Actually, hindi siya challenge. Parang sinadya ko lang na gawin siya sa sala. Parang sa dining area namin. Sinadya ko na parang sa lang siya, sala lang. Tapos mic stand, tapos interface laptop. Ganun lang para, alam mo yun, bumalik ako sa dati.
Sa roots.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so hindi naman naging challenging talaga sa'yo at all. Any parts of creating this album?
Challenge is subjective. Joke lang.
Wow. Pang Miss Universe na sagot. And never at least, we get to see na you truly are enjoying what you do.
Yeah,
And now, of course, sabi mo nga kanina, you've been in the industry for a while. And this is now your third album. So how different is this album from the ones that you created before?
It's actually not that different. Still the same me. It's just Arthur. Just exploring more on the music sound wise.
Ano yung gusto mong ma-feel ng mga fans when they listen to this album? Ano yung takeaway na gusto mong makuha nila from this album?
Gusto ko na ma-feel nila is yung parang
No words needed, just the sound effect. Feeling ko gets na yun ng mga fans mo. Since now you release your third album, are we gonna expect, a solo concert from you anytime
Whoa!
soon? Whoa!
for show. Siguro, yeah. Pero hindi pa ako pwede mag-announce kasi yun, baka pagalitan ako.
Okay. Sige. So hopefully, paglabas nitong video na to, may announcement or something. We don't know. Maybe ito na yung teaser
Sige.
sa kanyang upcoming album. So, in the future, if you're gonna create a new album, sino yung mga collaborations naman na nilulook forward mo?
Siguro, second collaboration with Looney, with Kyo again, mga round 2 collaborations. Probably, I don't know, Bruno Mars.
Wow! Sky's the limit talaga. Bruno Mars, why
Daniel
not?
Caesar,
Oo.
Frank Ocean. Mga siguro, Flo G, for sure.
Oh.
Yun.
Yes, perfect. And if you are going to perform in any stadium, in any venue, anywhere in the world, sky's the limit, where would it be? And why?
Sky. Sa Sky. Sorry. Yun yung limit, di ba? Baka pwede dun.
Baka pwede doon. Ikaw pa lang yung unang artist na na-interview ko na Sky yung sinagot. Pero sige, you know what? Kasalanan ko din yun. Kasi ako nag-set ng standard. Pero thank you so much,
Thank you.
Arthur. And dahil I can tell that you're feeling pretty chill and relieved
Yeah,
after
yeah.
that album launch, we're gonna play a very quick activity.
Oh,
So, are you ready?
yes.
Yes. Okay, so for Mixed Recess, this is favorite Arthur Neri song. So magbibigay lang kami ng 2 options from your songs, and you have to choose one and you have to explain why you chose that song.
Okay.
Sarili mong kanta, di ba yung
Okay.
pinahirapan ka lang namin talaga.
Okay.
Okay. So you have here 10, and hindi lang 10, more than 10 pala to. But for first one is pagsamo or higa.
Oh.
Isa lang.
May,
And why?
may timer ba?
Wala naman. Sabi ng producer natin, wala.
Pagsamo or higa? Probably pagsamo.
Why?
God.
Yun yung mahirap eh,
Ang
yung why.
hirap. Kasi, yung higa kasi yun talaga din yung isa sa mga Tagalog songs na in love talaga din ako. Like, nag-enjoy akong isulat siya. Pero siguro yung pagsamo kasi may, ano siya, parang may growth, kumbaga.
Oh, okay.
Ganun.
So that's the answer.
Maturity.
Pagsama, maturity. Eh, for this one kaya, pagsamo or di nakakasawa?
Oh.
Parang feeling ko, every number na sasabihin
Feeling
ko,
ko-
ganyan yung reaction niya.
Ang hirap.
Oh, syempre, kanta mo yan eh.
Siguro pagsama pa din.
Wow, through and through. Bakit? Kasi nga, it's maturity.
Yeah, yun yung isa sa mga pinaka-honest din na tracks na, alam mo yun. Yan.
May oomph. Okay, sige, gets. Alright, for this next one, pagsamo or palayo sa mundo?
Oh.
Pwede ng ringtone or notification tone yung...
Shout out Jolian. Sobrang galing din na artist. And, siguro pagsama pa din.
Pagsamo pa
Oo.
din. So far, okay, sige. Pagsamo through and through. Eh, for this next one kaya, pagsamo or palaisipan?
Oh.
Ooh, tiyan na. Sobrang Gen Z, ah.
Siguro, ang hirap. Isa sa mga goats ko yan. Kaya Looney.
Hindi siya makapili.
Pagsama na lang. Kasi
Pagsama pa
ako lang
rin.
mag-isa dun eh.
Okay, so kayo nag-iiba-iba yung explanation every time na pipili niya yung pagsamo. Okay, sige, pagsamo pa rin, through and through. Okay, for this one, pagsamo or isa lang?
Oh my gosh.
Oh. Dapat may O counter. Sige.
Siguro isa lang.
Isa lang.
Yeah.
Ay, yun lang ang tumalo sa pagsamo. Why?
Kasi,
Wala siyang explanation.
wala ko explanation. Wala, ang saya niya lang din talaga i-perform, kantahin at pakinggan. So, siguro isa lang.
Isa lang. Okay, nanalo ng isa lang over pagsamo. Pero for this next one kaya, isa lang or take all the love?
Oh! Boom! Probably, sheesh. Take all the love.
Take all the love. Why? Bilis magbago, ah.
Kasi, para may iba lang.
Para may iba lang. Okay. Sige. Alam mo, wala namang price tong activity natin. Pero sige.
Sige.
Okay, for this next one, take all the love or segundo seguro?
Oh. Can you give me a segundo?
Siguro.
Take all the love pa rin.
Take all the love pa rin. Kasi, para may iba lang or there's another meaning into that?
Siguro, take all the love kasi andun yung oomph din eh.
Okay, sige. I'm loving all the actions and all the sounds
Yeah.
here. Parang walang words eh. Hindi mo kailangan ng words to describe everything. Take all the love or life puzzle?
Oh. Life puzzle, wait.
Recon.
I'd choose life puzzle if hindi take all the love yung option.
Kaso take all
Kaso
the
take all
love.
the love.
Oh, so
Siguro take all the love, yeah.
Pare.
Shout out sa life puzzle daw. Yun yung shout out sa nagsulat. Ay, ako pala yun. Shout out dun sa panahon na yun. Yun. Yung mga nag-start pa lang ako.
Yes, perfect. Pero nanalo pa rin si Take All the Love. So for this one, Take All the Love or Binhi? Nag-iba yung sound.
Siguro binhi.
Binhi. Oh,
Yeah.
diba? Napalitan agad si Take All the Love.
Yeah.
Why Binhi?
Kasi yan talaga yung pinakaunang Tagalog na sinulat ko. And yan
Very
yung
sentimental for
Yeah.
you. Mm-mm. Yeah.
yan yung time na hindi ko alam kung paano i-explore yung language kasi taga Mindanao kami. And yun, sobrang nahirapan ako at the same time. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa process kasi nga, di ba, parang learning new things and every day, ganun. Tapos, yun din yung pinangalan ko sa mga fans ko.
Yes, Binhi. And it
Yeah.
got you here kung nasan ka
Yes.
ngayon, ang
Yes.
third album launch.
Yes.
And of course, last but not the least, Binhi or Paralisado? Adi is watching. Char.
Boy, text na lang. Binhi pa rin.
Binhi pa din. Well, gets naman with his explanation. And of
Yeah.
course, his fans, ang mga Binhi out there, talagang very rooted from who he was before ang Binhi. Ako na nag-explain.
Tama.
Gusto ko ako nag-explain for
Gusto ko
you.
yan, gusto ko yan.
Pero gets. So, ang ultimate Arthur Neri song ay Binhi out of all those songs that we chose from. So, thank you so much, Arthur, for being so game. One last thing, what is your message to your fans and to our Gen Mix?
Hello, Gen Mix. Ako po si Arthur Neri at i-release ko na po ang aking third album. I hope you guys could stream. And yun, ingat kayo palagi. Love you.
Don't forget to stream his new album, everyone. But unfortunately, that's all the time we have left with Arthur. So, malay nyo, next time makikita pa natin siya sa Mix or sa Mix Now. Hopefully, very, very soon. But for now, I am VJ Ella and this is Arthur Neri. Woo! We'll see you guys again next time. Bye!